Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you Xempire's listing date and how to connect a wallet in order to get the coins. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now Xempire has recently said that September 30 is your last chance to level up your character, invite friends, and earn some coins. Because this is the final day of the mining phase. And basically that is the listing date. After that, the gameplay will pause, and that's basically it. You can join this community now and until the September 30th. Now, after you will earn some coins here, you want to go ahead to the menu bar right there at the top and go on airdrop. So on September 30, you should be able to withdraw the funds, or maybe a few days after, and you need to connect your wallet here. So you can connect a different wallet. For example, instead of Timekeeper, you can use BitGet, OKX, Bybit, Telegram, and so on and so forth. So to connect your wallet, you just basically select the application which you want to connect the wallet. Click yes, connect a wallet. And after that, you will see that you have connected. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.